Hey everybody, so today I have a new shower head. This is the G Promise. That name kind of makes me think other things, but let's go ahead and take a look and see what we get. Okay, so we have our hookup for the wall, and this is actually all metal. This is really solid construction on this thing. We got our handle, also sleek and metal. To extend the shower head out. Our hose, of course. Some tape. We do get a tool and some washers here. Here's the shower head itself, also made of metal. All right, so now that we got it all hooked up, we'll go ahead and try it. Now I've seen a few different people that were comment about how this one sprays this, and their solution is it does have a little swivel on there. You kind of just swivel it outward. Now usually, you could also swivel this around too. You can move that around. Let's go ahead and we'll turn it on and try it out. So first we'll take a look at the handle here. So it is one spray function, you can't control it. It's not super powerful, but it does spray a decent amount of water. You can see if you put it up, it will hit that. Then you got your little diverter. And then that will give you the rain shower portion of it. And of course, you can also move this around, and you can extend this to come out further. So you got different options with that pull there. As for both of them running at the same time, you can do it. They are both running at the same time, but you are going to share your pressure between both of them. So just keep that in mind. But it's still not bad. I definitely like the shower portion of it, like the rain shower. You can, it's super easy to spin that too. I like that little knob there. It makes it really easy. So overall, I'd say that it is a pretty nice shower head. I do like that it has the extendable arm to bring it out more like a shower, like a rain shower type thing. And then you do have your handheld, which I always have to have one of those. That way I can easily get every part. But if you're looking for a nice shower head, it's got options. It's got the extendable arm and everything. Here you go.